Hi everyone, welcome back to Fat Cat Toy Collector. Today we'll be making Lego Star Wars AAT. This one's in the Microfighters series and it has 95 pieces. On the back you can see all the other Microfighters in this series. Okay, let's open it up. Here's the bag of large Legos. We have the instructions, and there's a bag for the small pieces too. And that's it. Okay, here are the instructions. We'll use those later. Now let's open the bags. Okay, are you ready to start? That's not right. Well, that's it for this toy. Thanks for joining us at Fat Cat Toy Collector, and see you soon!